Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So on today's tutorial I'm gonna show you CapCut transition hacks or tips, and here for this edit you need to get two clips ready, and you need to make sure that both have the same length. So mine is 2 seconds, and add the same video as the overlay. So click on overlay and choose the same video. Okay, I'm going to find it first. Okay, this one's right here, add, and the second one, this one's right here, click on add again. Oops. Okay, and then after that click on the first overlay, and then go to mask and choose circle. Okay, wait, I'm going to adjust the overlay first. Okay, you need to make sure that the overlay has the same size with the screen, and then go to mask, choose circle. Okay, you can adjust on how big you want the mask. Click on the check icon, and then for the second one go to mask again and choose circle also. I'm going to go with this and click on the check icon, and then do this for the board overlay and click on the first main video and go to animations and choose combo and select yo-yo. Find yo-yo animations as the transition. Okay, this one's right here. Click on a check icon, and then click on a second clip and choose animation combo, and for this select the yo-yo to transition. Okay, yo-yo to this one's right here, and then click on the first overlay and then choose animations again and combo, and go to zoom spin as the transition. Find the zoom spin, this one's right here. Click on a check icon, and for the second overlay go to combo again and choose smaller animations. Where is smaller? Find smaller. Okay, this one's right here. Click on a check icon, and here is the final result. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe. I'll catch you all on the next tutorial. Bye.